Welcome to Itarsi, a city nestled amidst the heartland of India, where the pulse of nature beats in harmony with the rhythm of life. Often overlooked, Itarsi cradles a secret, a tapestry of natural wonders waiting to be unveiled. Today we venture beyond the city's facade to uncover the hidden gems that make Itarsi a haven for those seeking solace in the embrace of the natural world. Our journey takes us along the banks of the mighty Narmada River, through verdant forests teeming with life, and across the fertile plains painted with the colors of rural India. Join us as we delve into the heart of Itarsi and discover the serene beauty that lies hidden in plain sight. Our exploration begins with the lifeblood of Itarsi, the majestic Narmada River, a river that holds immense cultural and ecological significance in India. Flowing through the heart of the country, the Narmada's waters have nourished civilizations for millennia, its banks whispering tales of ancient times. Here in Itarsi, the Narmada reveals a gentler side, its waters meandering through a landscape painted in hues of emerald and sapphire. The air hums with the chorus of unseen creatures, a symphony of life orchestrated by the river's presence. Kingfishers with plumage as vibrant as jewels perch on branches overhanging the water, their reflections shimmering in the clear depths below. Graceful herons stand motionless on sandbanks, patiently waiting for an unsuspecting fish to break the surface. The Narmada is not just a river, it is an ecosystem teeming with life, a sanctuary for countless species, and a testament to the delicate balance of nature. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the water, the Narmada transforms into a canvas of gold and crimson, a breathtaking spectacle that leaves a lasting impression on the soul. The riverbank is a place of tranquility where one can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with the natural world. It is a place to reflect, to breathe in the fresh air, and to listen to the soothing sounds of the river flowing by. The Narmada River is a reminder that even in the most unexpected of places, nature's beauty can take our breath away. It's a call to appreciate the simple things in life, to cherish the natural world and to protect it for generations to come. For in the heart of Itarsi, the Narmada flows on, a timeless symbol of life, beauty and the enduring power of nature. Venturing beyond the riverbanks, we find ourselves enveloped by a verdant embrace, a tapestry of green woven across the landscape. Itarsi is fringed by forests and agricultural lands, a patchwork of nature's artistry. Here, the air is alive with the scent of damp earth and blooming wildflowers, a symphony of fragrances that tantalize the senses. Towering trees stand sentinel, their branches reaching towards the heavens, forming a canopy that filters the sunlight, casting intricate patterns on the forest floor. Beneath this emerald canopy, a hidden world teems with life. Insects hum, their tiny wings beating a frenetic rhythm while birdsong fills the air, a chorus of melodies both haunting and beautiful. Though not as renowned as some of India's sprawling national parks, the forests surrounding Itarsi offer glimpses of the region's rich biodiversity. Troops of monkeys swing through the trees, their playful chatter echoing through the undergrowth. The rustle of leaves might betray the presence of a shy deer, its eyes wide with caution, or if luck prevails, a fleeting glimpse of a more elusive creature. These forests are a reminder that nature's wonders are often hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered by those who take the time to look. As we wander through these tranquil woodlands, we are reminded of the importance of preserving such havens of biodiversity. For these forests are not just a collection of trees and animals, they are vital ecosystems that play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet. They are the lungs of our Earth, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen we breathe. They are the guardians of our water sources, filtering and regulating the flow of life-giving water, and they are home to countless species of plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Chapter 3. The Rhythm of the Seasons. Itarsi, like much of central India, dances to the rhythm of a tropical climate, a cycle of scorching summers, life-giving monsoons and mild winters. Each season paints the landscape with its own unique palette, transforming the scenery in a breathtaking display of nature's artistry. Summer arrives with a fiery intensity, the sun blazing down from a cloudless sky. The land thirsts for the relief of the monsoon, the air thick with anticipation. And then, as if on cue, the heavens open, unleashing torrential downpours that quench the parched earth. The transformation is almost instantaneous. The landscape, once dusty and brown, erupts in a riot of green. Rivers swell, their waters cascading over rocks and boulders, a symphony of sound that reverberates through the air. Waterfalls, dormant for months, roar back to life, cascading down rocky cliffs in a breathtaking display of raw power. The air is thick with the scent of petrichor, that intoxicating aroma of rain on dry earth. The monsoon is a time of rejuvenation, a time for the land to heal and replenish itself. It is a time for new beginnings, a time for growth and renewal. As the monsoon recedes, it leaves behind a landscape refreshed and invigorated. The air is cooler, the skies a brilliant blue, and the land is cloaked in a verdant embrace. Winter in Itarsi is a gentle affair, a time for the land to rest and recuperate after the dramatic monsoon. The days are warm and sunny, the nights cool and crisp. It is a time for leisurely walks through the countryside, for enjoying the simple pleasures of life, and for appreciating the beauty of the natural world. Chapter 4. A bounty of nature's bounty. The fertile lands surrounding Itarsi bear witness to the enduring partnership between humanity and nature. Here, agriculture is not just a way of life, it is an integral part of the landscape, shaping the very fabric of the region. Vast fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, are transformed into a patchwork quilt of green and gold, as farmers cultivate a bounty of crops. Wheat, a staple of the Indian diet, sways gently in the breeze, its golden heads heavy with grain. Rice paddies, shimmering like mirrors under the warm sun, reflect the sky and clouds, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. And soybeans, their green leaves unfurling towards the light, promise a bountiful harvest. The cycle of planting, tending and harvesting is a testament to the deep connection between the people of Itarsi and their land. It is a relationship built on respect, understanding and a shared dependence. During harvest season, the air is filled with the sounds of activity as farmers and their families work tirelessly to gather the fruits of their labor. It is a time of celebration, a time to give thanks for the bounty of the earth. But the agricultural landscape of Itarsi is more than just a source of sustenance. It is also a place of beauty, a place where nature's artistry is on full display. The geometric patterns of the fields, the vibrant colors of the crops, and the ever-changing play of light and shadow create a constantly evolving tapestry that is both mesmerizing and inspiring. As we witness the harmonious coexistence of agriculture and nature in Itarsi, we are reminded of the importance of sustainable practices that ensure the well-being of both the land and its people. Chapter 5. Beyond Itarsi, exploring further afield. While Itarsi itself offers a tranquil escape into nature's embrace, venturing further afield opens up a treasure trove of nearby attractions for the avid nature enthusiast. A mere 80 kilometers from Itarsi lies Bhopal, the capital city of Madhya Pradesh, a city that beautifully blends urban life with natural wonders. Here, the upper lake and lower lake, two sprawling water bodies, serve as serene oases amidst the bustling city. A boat trip across these lakes offers stunning views of the cityscape, framed by the Aravalli Hills in the distance. For a closer encounter with nature, Vanviar National Park, located on the banks of the upper lake, beckons with its diverse flora and fauna. But for a truly immersive wildlife experience, a visit to Satpura National Park is a must. Located within easy reach of Itarsi, Satpura National Park, nestled in the Satpura Range, is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and adventurers alike. This sprawling park, teeming with diverse ecosystems, from dense forests to rolling grasslands, is home to an impressive array of creatures. Tigers, the elusive lords of the jungle, roam these forests, their presence announced by the alarm calls of spotted deer and the chattering of monkeys. Leopards, masters of camouflage, stalk their prey through the undergrowth, while sloth bears amble through the forest, their shaggy coats blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight. Birdwatchers will be in paradise, with over 300 species of birds recorded in the park, their calls filling the air with a symphony of melodies. From the vibrant plumage of peacocks to the majestic flight of raptors soaring high above, Satpura offers a feast for the eyes and ears. Whether you choose to explore the park on foot, by jeep or by boat along the Denwar River that meanders through its heart, Satpura promises an unforgettable adventure into the wild heart of India. Itarsi, a hidden gem, awaits. As our journey through the natural wonders of Itarsi draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of peace and tranquility. Itarsi, a city often overlooked, has revealed itself to be a hidden gem, a sanctuary where nature's beauty flourishes in harmony with human life. From the life-giving waters of the Narmada River to the verdant forests teeming with life, from the fertile plains painted with the colors of agriculture to the nearby wildlife havens, Itarsi offers a glimpse into the soul of India, a land where nature is not just a backdrop but an integral part of life. So, if you seek an escape from the ordinary, a journey into the heart of unspoiled beauty, add Itarsi to your travel list. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more journeys into the hidden gems of our world.